Hey everyone, it's John Chow here with JohnChow.com. We are here at Purbat Cove for the .com lunch. I just came here from Cars and Coffee, and so after lunch, we're actually waiting for Oscar. Oh, there's Oscar. I finally see him show up. Because after this, we're going to Las Vegas for the Affiliate Summit. And here I thought I was running late. I thought I was going to be last here, but apparently I beat Oscar here. So cool. It's a beautiful day for lunch. Actually, it's not too hot, not too cold. We don't really need this umbrella, but whatever. Oh, by the way, I took that umbrella there. I took it out of there, and unfortunately the base umbrella is very rusty, and it got on my pants, and look, I had to clean it up, so it looked like I had an accident. All right, Oscar has made it here. You finally made it, you're last. What, were you packing late or what?
Yes, I was packing to get gas.
Trying to do all the packing.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sure I forgot something, but whatever.
And you're gonna cover Affiliate Summit with a GoPro. Oh, I got you the stabilizer. I found it.
Awesome, but
So he's got a super stabilized GoPro footage from
I was going
Oscar.
to ask you though,
It will fit on there.
but how do I attach it?
I'll show you later. Well, yeah, it has an attachment for that, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah,
So Oscar will have the stable footage, I'll have the shaky footage. You may recall a few videos ago, I made a video offering my Jaguar for anyone who wants to take it over, because the lease is up next month, and if you want my car, just pay the buyer, you have my car. And naturally, someone makes a comment and say, just give the car away. So in other words, they're suggesting that I should buy the car out and then give it away to a reader because, you know, it's only $60,000, and they said that's nothing to me. So, and I want to actually answer this question because it answers a very unique point. And I actually thought about doing that. I did an analysis, but here's the thing. The ROI didn't work out. It's simple as that. So, I mean, yeah, it may not be nothing relative to my income just to buy the car and give it away. But the thing is, you got to understand that I'm in a business. This is a business. I'm in a business to make money. I'm not in a business to lose money, right? So it has to make financial sense to actually buy the car out if I want to give it away. It's like, you know, why do some companies spend all this kind of money to give away all these prizes and stuff? It's because they actually do get something back in return. An example would be that. An example of that would be a couple years ago when I was at Affiliate Summit, and this company, a rival web hosting company, was trying to steal me away from HostGator. And what they did was, in order to get my attention, they rented out the Las Vegas racetrack, booked a whole bunch of Ferraris and Lamborghini, and asked me to bring myself and 30 readers so they can buzz around the Las Vegas racetrack for a day, and they have an open bar and food and stuff. I don't know how much they spent for it, but it was great. We had a good time. It was fantastic. And but the reason they did it is because the ROI worked out. I mean, they would not do it for anyone else who cannot give them that kind of ROI, right? So you don't expect, you know, if you can't bring the kind of return to the company, don't expect the company to invest that kind of money into you. That's what I'm trying to say, right? So it's not the fact that I don't want to buy out the car and just give it away. It sounds great. The thing is, this is a business. Internet marketing is a business, and that's what I'm trying to get across. This is not something that I do. Yeah, it looks like I'm having fun and everything, and I'm just fooling around and enjoying a good time. But at the end of the day, this is a multi-million-dollar business. It has to make money, and so anything I do has to have a return on my investment, and that includes any contest or buying out a Jaguar and giving it to you. I'm said the ROI is just not there. If it was, I would do it. January in California, people are wearing shorts. Why? Because we have global warming here. She just asked me, how do you start making video? How do you start making video? You take out your cell phone right now and you make a video.
Okay, selfie.
And then you put it on YouTube. It's that simple. There was none of this, like, I should take this course, read this program, etc. No, just take out your cell phone and make a bloody video. That's all it is.
Sideways.
Another example of ROI. Why does Mo pay for my car? Like they pay me $3,000 a month every month to pay for the Tesla and to pay for the Jaguar. Why? It's not because it's nothing, the money means nothing to them or they're doing all the goodness at heart. It's because they actually get a return on that investment. Right? So another reason why I won't buy the Jaguar and just give it away. This is the road trip to Affiliate Summit. Oscar and I are leaving right now. Christian will be there tomorrow, and John driving tonight. He'll be there tomorrow morning. And it's about a 4-hour drive to Vegas, but we can do it in 3. Yeah, we might. And if we have the 1199 foundation license plate frame, we could do it in 2.
Oh my god.
We're gonna take the reliable Honda. This thing is so reliable, it will take us all the way to Vegas and back. Let's go to Vegas.